Are you guys confused on how you guys can scan Snapchat Snapcode? Well, this is the right video for you guys, because in this video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can scan Snapchat Snapcode. So it's pretty simple, so watch this video carefully until the end, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So before I start this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video, and it helps our channel to grow as well, so be sure to do that. And without any further ado, let me teach you guys how you guys can scan Snapchat Snapcode. Before scanning Snapchat Snapcode, you need to save your friend's Snapchat Snapcode on your phone's gallery. So for this, your friend has to send you a Snapcode. So basically what Snapcode is, let me show you. Click on my profile over here. Once I'm over here, I can click on this profile. Once I click on this, as you guys can see, this is my Snapcode displayed at the top. If somebody scans this using their, using Snapchat's camera, then you can, get add me over here. So, I can click on save Snapcode. After it is saved to camera roll, I can send it to whoever friend I want, or to the person who wants to add me. And after I send the Snapcode, basically what I can do is go on chats over here. Once I go on chat, I can click on this button. Once I click on this button, I can click on this icon over here. Once I click on this icon, it's gonna take me to gallery, and from my gallery, I can select the Snapcode which my friend sent. That's why I told you the Snapcode sent by your friend needs to be saved to your gallery, because you need to choose it from there. And I can click on the Snapcode, and as you guys can see, it scanned the Snapcode and said which Kevin lol, because this is my own profile and I cannot add myself. That's why it says that. But you can do it for your friend. If your friend send it to you, then you can scan it and add them as well. Or if you know your friend's phone is right in front of you, you can just go to this camera icon and scan it using this camera. That's basically how you guys can, scan Snapchat Snapcode. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And I'll be signing out. See you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.